they know about the KandyonChrome now? What they know about the KandyonChrome now? The KandyonChrome.
Day County 305. Everybody got a problem, toting they fire. Home in the hot top, don't drop Chevys in verse. Take a pose for the picture, get your face in the shirt. Hit the road for the low, we got that work. If Poppy don't come through, we still got work. Tell Zoe to come through, we puff on green. Sticky like bubblegum without no seeds. What a party at, what a Bacardi at. Cross over like Holloway, sipping cognac. What a mommy's at, we just before South Beach. Them times having parties in the streets, fucking roll like yeast. It's too fresh on the 1-2. Don't be scared, come through. You scrap, we got guns too. Whatever you want to do, it's on you. Ain't gonna be no talking when we come through.
I was born and raised in the county of Dade. I was born and raised in the county of Dade. Product was made in the county of Dade. Product was made in the county of Dade. I was born and raised in the county of Dade. I'ma pop off a spray, don't leave my place. Say Trey, old pound, holla MIA. Step down in the game, boy, you better make way. Back up, green paper, stack it on up. Dade County, shut them down, make them pack it on up. With that raw uncut, go ahead and sack it on up. If they disrespect you, head crack it on up. Hey, FLA be the gun stay. The Miami logo be the AK. I came to win the game with gunplay. Come and take a ride through the hood where I stay. Chevy's on big rims, a whole lot of money to spend. A stain on honey chin. Excuse me, I got something to say. I was born and raised in the county of Dade. I was born and raised in the county of Dade. Product was made in the county of Dade. Product was made in the county of Dade.
Shit.
Yeah, I never seen that one.
Oh, I ain't never seen that one.
What book is that?
74, homie.
74. That's probably why.
You can grab another one. Oh, let me see.
Oh shit, 71?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice.
We like kids doing homework, bro.
Yeah, for real. That color combo is amazing. Look.
Yo, look at the pattern again. Yeah. They got one like that down in Miami right now. I forgot the dude that has it. But look, we got this one too. I never seen that print, bro.
You know I know who has this car, right?
Who?
This car right here?
The exact car?
Not the same as that car, but the car he has 146 miles.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah.
I didn't know they made a Bel Air in 74.
Bel Air?
Bel Air, look. Huh.
Look at those trimmings on it.
Damn. That's for the Astro ventilation. See, they got rid of it on the trunks and they put it in the door jambs. Because 72 was the first year for the door jambs. For these ones. Oh, that's combos that people dropping right now.
This is the type of shit you should keep for your own.
That's exactly what I told them. I ain't selling none of the books.
Yeah.
Because with my luck, I bought me to a 75.
Look at that.
Oh, that's my interior. Oh, shit.
Yeah? That is yours.
Damn Skippy Trippy.
It has the same pattern on the end?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's the interior, yeah. Hold on, man.
That is the interior.
Jackpot. They got the same shit in the door, too?
Yeah?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah?
It's my baby.
I wish this shit was like a fucking, like the iPhone.
I know, right? Yeah.
So, look where they came from. They got Heartbeat of America on them.
Look, he has every single price that he paid for all the all the model numbers, the part numbers and shit, what he had originally paid for. That CB radio was a factory option, I didn't know that.
Oh shit, yeah. That's dope.
Why?
Dope. Look at that. Factory floor mattress. Won't see that again. 1975.
I'm like, what?
That is for
Yeah.
Set.
Oh, put it on.
Sport mirror.
With the remote. Temperature.
Temperature gauge.
You already know what it is. KandyonChrome. We got the man Lance down here. All about motors, checking out this good work. They out here putting out good quality work. You already know what it is, baby. What you think of this 7-1? I love it. It's clean, frame perfect, all the floors there, all the chrome redone, the interior.
Watch out, switch lanes. Ride with a super freak, I feel like Rick James. 15 in a trunk, in my shit bang.
Sitting low, tubbed out, and I'm moving fast. Twin turbo LX6 with the digi dash. Stack it up, see them lips, know who's spinning.